Hey, what's going on, guys? Chris from DIYsavecash E66.com. In today's video, I just want to talk with you briefly about the air conditioning fan squeaking. Now, I have made a video about this in the past, and I did fix it, but it is now probably over a year and a half later, and my squeak is coming back. Now, my air conditioning right now is set to 60 degrees, and it's just a little bit, not even halfway full blast. Well, what happens is, from what I understand, condensation of the air conditioning drips onto the bearing, a little bit of water, which causes the bearing to go bad. Obviously, bearings go bad after a while, just like your water pump bearing, just like your pulley bearing sometimes, etc. Now, what happens with this is that if I were to turn up the air conditioning to half volume or full blast, the bearing would actually spin faster, which would actually take away the little squeak. Now, this is just like a wheel bearing, where the faster you go, sometimes the road noise, etc., drowns it out. Well, same thing with the air conditioning fan blower motor bearing. Again, I'll link the original video in the description box below, exactly how to take it out and fix it. This video, I won't go into complete details about how to pull it out. Rewatch my old video, it'll show you exactly how to pull it out. But it is, the blower motor is located underneath the passenger panel here, underneath the glove box. So you just gotta pull a few things out of the way, some carpet, some padding, and get to the blower motor. Anyway, guys, we're gonna lube it back up with some oil. I'm a little bit too cheap to pay the $300, $250 to buy a new blower motor with the bearing. Unfortunately, you can't buy the bearing and then press it in there. It's kind of in one little piece. Unfortunately, that's how they do it. Let's listen in real quickly and see if you guys can hear that. It just sounds like a little birdie going. Just picture an old fan in your house and the bearing is going bad. A little rollerblade bearing. You just hear a little bit of a pitch squeak there. All right. 'Cause you gave